Boom! What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside service. You may be wondering why I have my shirt off and I got a ripped up Marina on, or wife beater, because I had to put it in the window for my baby. And I got the whole family. Say what's up, everybody.
Oh, what's up?
We're rolling out to K-Town right now. The truck is done. Sampson is back on the road, and we're about to order a wheel lift for it and do all types of work and dump a lot more money into it and pray that it's a good investment. So yeah, we're gonna talk about it a little bit. We'll get into it right after the intro. Redeem yourself. Huh? Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Y'all sit back, put them seatbelts on, man. So we're rolling right now. Got an hour and a half drive to go. We've been probably driving about 20 minutes now. We got to go to Kissimmee, which ain't that far from Orlando, which kind of sucks because I'm literally going to be back in Orlando tomorrow. But it is what it is. I had other plans today, but for whatever reason, God has led me into this direction to go spend this money. So we on our way right now to K-Town, and I've been back and forth on the phone with a couple of companies. I'm about to call a company right after I record, actually, to verify their prices of their wheel lift versus the other company that I'm going with. And there's literally like a $2,000 to $3,000 difference in price. So I called the first company. They're like, yo, why are y'all so much cheaper than the other company? It's kind of weird. And he's like, listen, he explains, like, I'd build it myself. I don't have a distribution fund. I don't have a middleman, you know, cutting into the profits. Literally, I build it and ship it out from my barn. I'm like, oh, okay. But their company seem like they got good reviews. Their lifts are pretty heavy duty. And oh, and he did tell me that he said the one with the self-loader is stronger, which I'm surprised. So I'm gonna show you the pictures that he showed. He sent me on Facebook. So yeah, but I gotta get the springs to make it really work. So either way, I'm gonna call this other company real quick and get some prices from them. I didn't want to deal with them because the first wheel lift I had, which I got in a deal from a buddy, the customer service was just kind of rude. But their customer service was rude, but the customer service with the company that I'm looking at is good, but they never answer the phone initially. They always call you back. So that's, I don't know, I'm figuring it out. I'm figuring it out, but I'm about to go drop 4 bands on this, and then I'm looking at another 5 to 75 bands on the wheel lift. So to build Sampson has definitely not been cheap. I still got to get the rims. I still got to get the backup camera. I mean, it's a lot, you know, but we're gonna make it work. So we hitting the old dusty road, man, and you know, making it happen from here. All right, so an hour and 30 plus minutes later, I missed my turn. Why is it so flimsy? We pulling up. Surprised they got residential places right next to like commercial facilities. There's my girl, or my dude actually. That's my dude. My old girl is at the. Now it is a dude though. Right. It's Sampson. It's literally Sampson. Sampson, ladies and gentlemen. Sampson. The V10 with the hanging bumper. Sampson is back on the road. I gotta go pay first. So yeah. But I'm happy. I'm damn ecstatic. Didn't want to pay this much money, but you know, it is what it is. I just want to catch a quick one. Wheel lift next. We building us a tow truck. There's like nowhere to park up here. I told you. I'm gonna try to. I should be able to, but I'm at the. I gotta go. Yeah, I gotta go get some what's the name to I'ma weld it. I'ma just weld it up. Hell, the way I'm feeling, I might just have to weld the damn bracket up and hook up the bumper, or not the bumper, the winch. All right, so I got a rough shirt, steel saw cut up. I'm about to go change this out and roll out. Boom, we here, baby. I'm out. Give me the full name of the shop.
Transmissions Plus at Kissimmee.
Transmissions Plus, because you want to be on camera? Ben.
What's happening?
We had Transmission Plus at Kissimmee. Look, the shop super professional. I ain't gonna lie, bro. For a 2-bay shop, y'all are like kicking ass out there, man. I'm blown away. I'm blown away right now. So they got Sampson back on the road, baby. I'm about to drop some money right now. We're gonna get some footage of the actual thing. Got a review I'm gonna leave for y'all. Look at it. Look at these. I need one of these damn pans. Seriously. I change the fluid regularly, so I'm surprised, you know, to have the issues that I've had. So you know, yeah. But you know, that's the only part of it. Do you turn wrenches outside too?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. You do.
I take over afternoon shift.
Oh, gosh.
I do all the stuff out front.
Do you build or do you pull down, or what part do you play?
I'm what they call remove and replace.
Gotcha. Okay, gotcha. Who's the specialist that actually takes it apart then?
That would be Mark.
Gotcha. Okay.
He's our builder.
Gotcha. I got another training about to bring to y'all then.
Cool.
So, yeah. Yes. Okay.
Ready for it.
Cool. All right. So I just want to catch that part on. We'll go ahead and get some footage. Let me get this man some money, and we're gonna head back out of here.
No, the part is coming in tomorrow.
We're in 20 grand right now with Sampson. Sampson's doing it though. We're gonna get some footage, as they got race cars out here and all types of stuff.
There was absolutely no transmission.
I'm gonna catch the owner. He's not here right now, but I'm gonna come back up and give him a shout.
We're gonna do a service on it. On Maxar, there is part of the oil pan. We have to replace the pan.
Ben, thank you so much. All right. So, let's start with this Mach 1. They have a Mach 1 now. Of course, I can't go in. You know, I'm not authorized to go in, but they have regular vehicles. They do, like, look at that transmission right there, and torque converter. F100 Hummers. This is a full build that they're doing with this thing. I didn't even know they did all this. I don't know what frame this is from, but whatever it is, like, it may be fast when it does get done. Racing Mustang. But this is the one that caught my heart. Oh my goodness. I want to say it's a 6.4. Forgiatos. Ooh, man. Whoever put this together has some serious money in this car. Somebody's kids may not be going to college because of this car. or it says disabled bet. So maybe they did go to college and this person just got the money like that. So you can't, you know. Jeez, man. Wildwood 6-piston brakes, or the 4. It was 4. So, oh man, this thing is clean. I don't want to open it because it ain't my car. That is original. I don't know if it's a real SS, but this thing's nice. Jeez. Okay, goals, man, goals. I'll get there eventually. So big shout out to Transmissions Plus at Kissimmee. Appreciate them getting me back on the road, and the price was reasonable for the warranty. So now I got my hanging girl here. Look at the bumper, man. It's because the last time it broke down I had to get pulled, so it was already zip tied up. I don't have any zip ties on me, and it's got a lot of rust, so I'll zip tie that back. Old girl back on the road though, man. Let's go crank it up. Shit, I ain't even been in here yet. Oh, smooth, Jesus. Oh, just like I remember it. Oh my God. Man, listen, I'm just happy to even hear it running, and I'm ready. Yes, man. Big old V10, 68 or 69,000 original miles, man. Like, I'm the second owner of this truck, and this truck has cost me so much damn money. But I just look how big it is. Look at this freaking thing. And now it's about to officially become a tow truck. We got 2-year warranty on the transmission. So, looking good, no leaks. Super smooth. Oh, my old girl rolling again. Oh, I just happen to have a zip tie. Oh, yes, baby. I ain't want to look too crazy going down the damn road. Let me fix my camera here. Cause I know I be coming out looking rough. Yeah, okay. Of course, there was already a zip tie in here. Snuff the rooster. Oh yeah, yeah. Y'all know nothing about them eyes and chains. Now, that's just a makeshift fit. At least it's back up now. So this, goddamn, I bent the whole thing. I'll heat this up and bend this back in, because I think what I'm gonna end up doing is literally just welding in a bracket here and putting a big ass winch right here up front as a counterweight. So let me see if anybody wants to ride with me. Let me go try to figure out how I can turn around. All right, hey, she sounds good. Or he, yeah. So are you feeding?
Just like don't feed it.
Okay. Okay. Well, is Kai still asleep?
Yeah.
Gotcha. No, go ahead. So I guess we're gonna end it on this. I'm jumping back in Sampson. Oh, I gotta put my tag on. So hopefully it's good. Transporter tag. We transport, baby. Tow truck. Build coming next. Built not bought. We doing it, baby. Appreciate y'all tapping in with the homie. Big shout out again to RW Transport. My homie David, man, he came through and towed it for me up here from Avon Park. And big shout out to Transmissions Plus at Kissimmee, because they did the work. And now I got to get to the next part of this journey, and that's actually putting the damn tow truck together. So appreciate y'all tapping in with the homie. Like, share, and subscribe. Hey, did you have anything to do with this build? No? Did you pull it out or anything?
I didn't touch it.
Well, I was trying to give some more credit to Transmissions Plus at Kissimmee, but I made YouTube videos. That's why I asked this question. So I'm showing y'all love, because I appreciate it.
The guys in there did, though. I'm not sure if Gene did. I think Gene pulled it out.
I'm gonna go and talk to. Is he in there now? I'm gonna go do that. So we're gonna get some more love shown over here. We're gonna just show support, man, because I appreciate it. And like I say, what's up, man? Okay. It was, now believe this or not, it was cheaper. It was cheaper for me to come 2.5 hours, or an hour and a half away to get this done than in my own hometown or the surrounding areas. And not only was it cheaper, they did it with less than a week, and they offered 1 year warranty more. That's right, 2 years warranty. 2 years warranty, and that's with the upgrade. Everywhere else I called in my area said it was gonna be like $4,000+ building it factory. That's doing nothing. I got an upgraded torque converter, upgraded clutch pack kit. I got shift solenoids put in. When I say like I couldn't be happier right now, hopefully it holds up. I got faith that it will. If not, I got a 2-year warranty. So it'll be 2024 before I have to slide back down here again. But we ain't even speaking that into existence, because by that point, not only would the truck have made me all the money, I'll probably be on my next truck or my truck after the next truck, because I got things coming up. Hold on, I forgot. That's what I gotta do. I'm glad I just remembered before I left out of here. So he probably gonna ask me for the other one, but I just thought about it. Either way, man, let me get up off here. Like, share, subscribe. Thank y'all for tapping in with the homie, man. Appreciate y'all. Any questions or concerns, leave them in the link down below, or leave them in the comments down below. I'll link to the shop down below. Until next time, mi gente, from Mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.